How are you all? Today we are going to start part number 6 of this book, The Sky and the Space. In this part, we will study this unit number 12, the Earth, Sun, Moon and Stars. In class 1, when we studied this unit, we studied that the Earth is a sphere. The Earth is covered with land and water and surrounded by air. The Sun provides us with light and heat, and it can be seen during the day. The Earth goes round the Sun. It takes a whole year to do that. The Moon goes round the Earth. It can be seen at night but has no light of its own. So now in this class we will learn that the Earth goes round the Sun. It takes 1 year to orbit the Sun. We will learn what is orbit and how it takes a whole year. The Earth spins round towards the east once every 24 hours. While one side of the Earth has day, the other side has night. We will study about day and night, how day and night are formed. The Moon is a sphere and it goes round the Earth. We will also study about the Moon in this unit. The light we see on the Moon is the reflected light of the Sun. So let's start its reading. The Earth is a planet. We all know that Earth is a planet. It is round like a ball. We call this shape a sphere. So the shape of the Earth is sphere. Earth is a planet and its shape is sphere. The Sun is also round like a ball. It is made up of hot burning gases. So Sun is also round like a ball, and we all know that Sun gives us heat, so it is hot. It is made up of hot burning gases. It is many times bigger than the Earth. Earth is smaller and Sun is many times bigger than the Earth. It looks very small from the Earth because it is very far away. The Sun is a natural source of heat and light. Sun provides us heat as well as light, and it is very far away from the Earth. The Earth spins round and round on its axis. This movement is called rotation. The Earth spins towards the east. This is why every morning we see the Sun in the east, and in the evening the Sun sets in the west.
Today we'll learn about day and night. When we see the sun shining in the sky, it is day, and when we don't, it's night. So the question is, why is the sun in the sky seen at some times and not at others? We see that the sun seems to move across the sky starting in the east in the morning, then moves toward the south at noon, and then finally toward the west as the day ends. How does this happen? Actually, the sun appears to move across the sky because the Earth rotates on its axis. Axis is an imaginary straight line passing through the North Pole, the center of the Earth, and the South Pole. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. The movement of the Earth on its own axis is known as rotation. Let's see why we have days and nights. Let's assume this globe is our Earth and this lamp is the Sun. Now, look closely. The light is shining only on one side. This is day. Now look at the other part and you can see it's dark. This is night.
Let's read about day and night. The side of the Earth facing the Sun has day. The side away from the Sun is in shadow. This side has night. The Earth spins round once every 24 hours.
When the Earth rotates, day changes to night and night changes to day. That's how the rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Pretty cool. The Earth is always spinning around, and it takes 24 hours for the Earth to complete one rotation. Daytime is from the time of sunrise until sunset. Nighttime is from the time the sun sets until the sun rises.
There is also a warning about the sun. Never look directly at the sun. We should never look directly at the sun. We should always wear sunglasses before looking at sun, because it is harmful for our eyes and sight. I hope you have enjoyed learning about sun, moon and stars. Now read it carefully and do your assessments. Thank you.